Sai Ram, I offer my loving pranams at the lotus feet of Bhagwan Shri Satya Sai Baba and Sadguru Shri Siddheshwar Baba.
Going further with the series of signal videos, in today's video, you will get to know about Gurudev's 29th signal. Guruji had written about all his signals in detail in his book Psychoanalysis and Meditation Volume 1. So to know about his signals in details, you can read this book, and for watching signal videos number wise, you can click this signal videos playlist link which is available in description box as well as on end screen also. After the emergence of 28th signal, Gurudev's mind was engulfed by great peace. He felt as if he had come out of the total tensions of the mind. That peace and the consequent calm happiness were so enormous that he wished to distribute them to the whole world. After 2 or 3 days, he became immediately conscious of a strange thing. He found that he was not taking sides between any two teams of players in a match, between our country and the other country, between the winner and the loser, between the accused and the accuser, and so on. He did not associate himself with any of the side. He was merely a witness. He had his blessings for the killer and for the killed equally. He gave good wishes to the winner and the loser equally. He had no enemy and he hated none. This was the most magnificent situation of his mind. He felt no meaning in the laws, practices, traditions, and transactions of this social, materialistic, and ego world. He was getting free from all identification with nations, communities, good or bad, great or small. All identifications were vanishing from his mind. So, this state of pure witnessing was his 29th major signal in the journey towards the final goal. To know about Gurudev's other signals, keep watching upcoming videos. Jai Sai Ram.